Hi guys, welcome to another 3-0 Airsoft video. In this video, the situation is we're looking for 3 comms towers that are scattered down this ridge here, and there's a hidden weapons cache somewhere in the field that has a bunch of 105 capsules with tubes in there. We can take them and destroy each comms tower, but we can only take one 105 tube at a time.
Steve, if you guys stay on the south side, you can get right around the back of that. We installing some fireworks on the northern boundary.
Now the other team has the same objective, but neither team actually realised that. So the game's all about control of territory, and then who can get 2 comms towers destroyed first, or all 3.
Where are they? Moving left.
Okay, so we've just stumbled across an enemy squad, so we're just going to hold this position on the hill and try and keep their heads down. So what we've done is we've split our team up into a number of different fire teams. So we've been patrolling down this hill, along the ridge, and another team is on our right, patrolling around the edge of the hill. So hopefully they'll pop around the corner any minute now. So our backup's taking a little bit longer than expected, so I'm just going to run off to the right here and make sure the enemy don't get up on top of us.
Yeah. Alright, contact's down the right hand side, still on the right side of the fence. Just stick it here. Yeah, probably a good idea. Stop them sneaking back out that way. Just go through here. Yeah, it's good.
So we've just made contact with our other fire team again. So we're going to hold the hill, and they're going to try and flank round to the right and push the enemy in towards us.
They're probably about 40 meters below the fence. So, yeah. Okay. You guys, go that way. Cut them off. Are they in the forest? Okay, just hold them there. We're gonna...
So it sounds like the enemy have managed to slip the net. So our guys on the right are going to chase them down and then try and force them back towards our guys on the hill.
I think they're pushing further back, Pete, so yeah, just do your thing. Our guys are just going down here, so let's just go straight down and yeah, keep them in that direction. Hold them there. Try and get your guy back in. Okay, let's go down here and just support our guys from the high ground. Okay, jump over.
So our fire team on the right is moving along below us, so we're just going to move along with them from the high ground and then support them if we can while we try and find this enemy again.
We're just up above you, Pete. Me and Ben are just up above you, by the fence. Come over here. There's 2 trees, and then in the middle there's a tree on the fence line. Is there someone behind it, just to the left of it? So 2 trees in front of us. Yeah. In the middle of them there's a tree on the fence line, behind the fallen one. Is there a guy on the left of it? Or is that just Gorth? Okay. Let's get to this next line then. Okay, go for it. It's Bryce. Start this way. Okay, you guys up on the hill. You're gonna try and push down into the forest and just stop them moving out that way. Yeah. At least 2 on the boundary.
So we've tracked down the enemy again, but we've backed them into a corner and now they're going to turn around and fight us.
Ben, where are you? Okay, there's our line of hit.
So the enemy have just managed to take out all of us on the right hand side, and you can see a couple of our guys now coming down off the hill to force them back a bit and medic us back into the game.
Medic!
Me?
Yeah.
Not for it.
We've got a bunch of us down here that need medicing as well.
Right.
Ben, port status? It's just through here somewhere. Bryce, report status. Okay, they're all dead.
So I'll just explain our medic rules for those that don't know. We have a system where on your first hit you get tacked around the knee, and then on your second hit you're tacked around the hand.
Knee then hand. Alright, get these guys. Yeah,
We've been using this new system now for the last couple of months and we've found it works pretty well. It's a good incentive not to get hit because when your knee's wrapped up it definitely slows you down climbing hills or running or crouching
Who's the other
down.
medic? Get him back in there.
And when your hand's taped up it's really annoying changing mags and all that sort of thing.
Pull up a bit. Alright. Medic come back in and let's get going again. It's a hand, is it?
Oh, so he got skimmed off the top of
Yeah, I got helmet as well.
I got hit him with the trigger finger.
Nice.
I don't know how the f he managed to do it, eh?
Have fun. Stumpy.
Hang on, I can get 2 fingers out, I can still hold it up.
Neat. interesting. Yeah.
Alright, so we're all back in the game and ready to fight again.
Let's get up.
So stand by for part 2, where we will find the hidden weapons cage and destroy these comms towers.